Alright. He's out cold. I don't know if he's gonna, there we go. There we go. Like he wasn't gonna let me get behind his lips. Good job. He's so calm. This is just butter. Oh my goodness. Good job.